I'm sure you've heard about manifesting, using the power of your mind and the law of attraction to make good things happen in your life. Maybe you've tried it and had mixed results. But is it even real? Do humans really possess some magical mind power that's been a closely guarded secret for thousands of years? And if so, how do you tap into it to create the life you desire? Well, it seems our minds really do possess a superhuman potential. And on some quantum level, we're able to tap into the universal law of attraction. And done correctly, we can program our minds to attract wealth, prosperity, radiant health, and even attract an optimum mate, all with the power of the mind. But how does it really work? And how can you use it to make the magic happen in your life? The technology we developed at Zygon taps into and amplifies this mind power. It's called visioneering. And it's just one of the many mind tools and empowerment courses you'll discover on your Zygon Empowerment app. You can download it free here and start programming your mind to awaken this hidden power. Just hit the download button below. Once you get the app installed and go through the orientation, then head on over to the Law of Attraction workshop. And in 20 minutes, you'll be working your first manifesting target. But don't stop there. Discover the power of the brain supercharger and the Millionaire's Mind program to rewire your inner mind programming and heal all the negative emotions that hold you back from accomplishing your goals. Hundreds of mind tools, along with workshops and motivational programs to get your life on track. You can even learn a foreign language using Zygon's patented 5-step accelerated learning process. Join me, and together, let's unleash the most powerful force in the universe, your mind. Download the Zygon app now. Why accept a future that's not filled with abundance, meaning, and purpose? After all, it's only your life.